Hello guys, welcome again to AI Sciences. Today we are going to learn about Moviepy, which is another very important library if you are going to play around with videos and audios. So Moviepy is a very cool library. So we are going to talk about Moviepy in a while. So we are basically going to crop the videos. We are going to convert the videos into audios, and we are also going to do a lot of other stuff, which is very important. So first of all, let's talk about the agenda, and we'll start with installation and documentation. As usual, we'll try to read the video file from the folder or directory. We'll explore different attributes of the video file, like duration, frame per second, file name, etc. Then we'll try to crop the video file. We'll try to convert the video file. By cropping we mean extracting a sub clip out of a whole large clip, right? So then finally we'll try to write the video and audio file to the folder, right? So, and obviously everything will be done by using Python. So let's go to the documentation. Here is the official documentation of Moviepy. Latest version is 1.0.3, and this is how you can install it by using pip. Simply pip install Moviepy, right? And if we scroll down, here are a few examples. Here is a very interesting example that we will probably do in the tutorial as well. How you can rotate the video clip, and then how you can write it onto the folder, right? And then it has a lot of cool stuff to offer you. Without wasting any time, let's go. And again, as I told you, first of all, you have to install that library by writing this command pip install Moviepy, right? I have already installed it. I have already imported it. So let's get straight to the work. So we'll say clip dot. First of all, we are going to read the file. So we'll say mp, which is Moviepy, right? We have imported Moviepy as mp. So mp dot video video file clip, yeah, this one. And then here we will paste we will write the address of video file that we are going to work with, right? So I'm going to the folder, I'll click over here, I'll add a backslash, and then it displays the number of options that I have. So I have this so how can I do that? Okay, so I need this thing, so I'll just copy this and I'll just paste it over here. So here is my video clip. If I go back, let me run this video clip for you. So this is basically a football clip of 2 minutes and 15 seconds, right? So yeah, let me close it. Okay, so let's come back and let's see what are the attributes we can explore. So first thing is duration. So if I'll say clip dot, oh, I did not run this cell yet, so let's run it. Great. So clip dot duration, if I run it, so it tells me the duration in terms of seconds. It is 135 seconds long clip. So if I divide it by 60, it will convert it into minutes, which is 2.25 minutes, right? So yeah, if I double divide it, it will exclude the floating point value, and it will just give me the integer value, right? The next thing is that we can explore is clip.fps. You can also explore the frame per second rate of the video file. The other thing is, if you want to explore the, let's say, file name of the video, this is how you can explore that. It will give you the whole address as well, and then file name as well. Okay, you can parse it, and if you want to get only this file name, right? Okay, the other thing, what else can we do? Okay, so let's rotated clip. So let's rotate the clip. How can we do that? So we'll say clip dot rotate. Okay, and here we'll say rotate it on 90 degrees, right? So it will be rotated on 90 degrees, and let's run it. Now let's write this rotated clip to the file. So we'll say rotated clip dot write video file, and here simply we are going to write the address of the file, which is this one, and here we'll say rotated video clip, right? So let's run it, and it will take a few moments in order to write the file onto the directory. So let's wait for it. So it has I think, let me go back. Yeah, it is still running. It will take a few seconds. So while it is running, let's move on, and let's not wait for it. Let's move on and let's write the further code in order to do the other stuff. So how can we convert the video file into the audio file? So here is how we can do that. So we'll say clip dot okay, so clip dot audio audio dot. So here we can, let's wait for it to complete its running, because I'm not getting the exact auto completion here as well. So let me pause this video over here. I'll come back when it will be done. Great, it's done, right? So let's go and check it out. So here is rotated video clip. Let me run it. Here you can see that it is rotated at 90 degrees, right? Great. So okay, so the thing is, you can edit your video in almost every fashion by using this Moviepy thing. It's really a powerful thing. So here is how can we convert the video file into audio file. So we'll say clip.audio.write audio file, right? And here we will pass the path at which we are going to write the video file, right? Let me audio clip. So let me say audio, yeah, audio clip.mp3, right? So let me run it. It is running. Yes, hopefully it will be running. Okay, done. So here is the audio clip. If I run it, yeah, great. So you can see that duration of this clip is almost the same, and there is no video, and perhaps you can hear the audio as well, right? So let me close it. Okay, now let me tell you how can we crop the clip, right? So I'll say clip dot let me save it in cropped clip. Okay, so I'll say clip dot subclip, yeah, and that's it. And here I have to pass two numbers, right? One is the starting time and the other is the ending time, right, in terms of seconds. So I'm going to crop my clip from 50 seconds to 60 seconds. So my cropped clip will be of 10 seconds, right? So let me run it, and then let me see if I can check the duration as well. Yeah, great. So our cropped clip duration is 10 seconds, right? And then how can we write this cropped clip onto the directories, right? So I'll say write video file, and here again we'll pass the path, and path would be I'll say cropped video clip, right? So let me run it. Since this is MP4 file, so it takes more time, but since it was a only 10 seconds file, so it run pretty much quickly, right? So okay, so let's go to the folder and check it out. Where is our cropped video clip? Here it is. Okay, so it is just 10 seconds of the clip, which is from 50 seconds till 60 seconds. Great, awesome. So yeah, in this video we have learned how can we read the video, how can we check different attributes of the video, how can we rotate the video, how can we crop the video, how can we convert video into the audio, and how can we write audio and video files, which was the goal. So actually we have done more than the goal. There wasn't written rotation here as well, right? So yeah, so if you are new to AI Sciences, please subscribe to our channel, check out the link in description, and visit our website as well, right? So we have a lot of courses, artificial intelligence based courses, big data based courses, and a lot of other cool stuff to offer you.